Well, folks, as you know, coming up tonight live from Dayton, Ohio, 8 o'clock Eastern Time, not that long from now, sold out, available exclusively on pay-per-view. Make the appropriate telephone call, if you will. Jim Neidhart, come on in. One of the great amateurs turned professional, and here at World Championship Wrestling. Tonight, we're going to be seeing you in action on this television program, but tonight, on pay-per-view, it's sold out. Bret the Hitman Hart is going to be facing the Nature Boy Ric Flair, two great all-time champions. You've got your feelings on it. As a matter of fact, I'd have to say you're part of the reason the two are going to be facing each other.
Yeah, I kind of got my feelings hurt a little bit, but I'm not going to cry over a bunch of spilled milk. Just because Ric Flair can't wrestle like he used to wrestle, all I said was Bret Hart is the best. Stating a fact, no big deal. And what does Flair do? He has to use illegal tactics, a weapon, to sucker punch me, but that's it. Tonight, Rick, it's sold out. You're going to see why I said that Bret Hart is the best. You're going to understand why tonight.
You know, I don't think I'm telling tales out of school here. The fact that Bret Hart is your brother-in-law, you're part of the family, you and him have been close personal friends for many years. Certainly your allegiance is going to be with the Hitman.
Absolutely. The pink and black is back, baby. But I think that Ric Flair should get a real good understanding of what it's like to have that sharpshooter put on you. And what kind of pain that might feel like.
All right, just sometimes he is rather sadistic and ominous. I'm talking about Jim the Anvil Neidhart. Jim Neidhart, we're going to be seeing you in action later tonight, and I'm certain you're going to be glued to Sold Out on pay-per-view. Tony, we've got more when you and Dusty come back here on TBS.